Meet Jeff. He runs an HVAC plumbing and electrical service company. Jeff started selling maintenance agreements because it helps build a loyal and profitable customer base. But managing and scheduling all those customers is a challenge. Until Jeff discovered Coolfront Agreements. It's the app that makes sure Jeff's agreement program delivers to his customers and to his bottom line. From marketing and selling to tracking, scheduling and reporting, Coolfront Agreements keep Jeff's program running smoothly. Here's how. Jeff sells an agreement using the marketing materials provided. He then enters the customer into the app, which automatically generates a maintenance schedule for that customer. When their maintenance visit is due, the app sends the customer reminders to get them scheduled. All Jeff's team has to do is perform the maintenance on the day promised. Now, Jeff's maintenance agreement program is humming, and he can confidently sell more agreements. Way more. With Coolfront Agreements, nothing falls through the cracks. Now that's genius!